Next we look at quality assurance. Quality assurance can be defined as a system of activities performed by producers to assure the satisfaction of the quality requirements of consumers. If a company is trying to achieve good quality of product in a consistent manner, with checkpoints for each of the PDCA cycle steps, then we can say that the company is having a quality system that assures the quality. Quality assurance is required at least in 3 areas. 1. Quality of design of the product. When the product is being designed, the quality has to be assured. Many a times, the quality of product is having a great influence from its design. If the product is designed for the usage very well, if it is designed for manufacturing, then there will be less of problems. If the design is not taking care of application requirements, and if it is not ensuring that it is designed for good manufacturing, then there can be several problems in productizing of this product. 2. Quality of production. This is the most common thing that is known to all. Production process has to be designed in such a way that the quality is assured. Each and every step of the production process has to be defined well, and the quality has to be assured at each step. Many companies may not have a clear manufacturing method for each step of their product manufacturing. The shop floor teams may be manufacturing it in their own way. This can definitely not help in assuring the quality. If every step of assembling a compressor is not defined, then the workmen will assemble it in their own way. The torques may not be standardized, leading to oil and air leaks at many places. 3. Quality of sales and service. The quality of activity in sales and service also has to be defined, and it also has to be assured. The customer would look for a good quality in everything that he experiences from the supplier. The service function will have several touch points with the customer. Every touch point has to be defined well, and it has to be standardized. If a company wants to have a good quality assurance system, then it has to adhere to the checkpoints explained for each of the PDCA cycle. It is worthwhile for a company to define the QA system in detail. Next we look at quality control. Quality control can be defined as part of quality management, focused on fulfilling quality requirements. While quality assurance relates to how a process is performed, or how a product is made, quality control is more the inspection aspect of quality management. An alternate definition is the operational techniques and activities used to fulfill requirements for quality. Quality assurance is a broader concept, and quality control is more narrow aspect, referring to the actual activities of fulfilling requirements for quality. Next step in the process is your customer. The quality assurance system should consider that the next step in the process is the customer. The process in this step has to be controlled to deliver what is expected in the next step. If this is done consciously, then the product can be delivered to the expectations of the customer. In a foundry, the melting of the metal has to be done in the furnaces, and the metal has to be delivered to pouring at a certain temperature. If the temperature is not as per the expectations of pouring, then the quality is not okay. In a capital equipment manufacturing company, if the parts should not have run out beyond a specification, then the machining process has to control it and deliver it within the right specification. If we work with the external customer specifications and do not have the specifications of internal customer at each process step, then it is difficult to assure the quality. We need to work on this and set up process control at each step of manufacturing. Next important thing is quality in everything that you do. Companies need to promote quality in everything that they do. As explained earlier, quality needs to be established in design, production, sales and service. Beyond this, companies adapt a company-wide quality approach. Many companies Adapt Total Quality Management (TQM) approach. TQM is defined as follows. TQM is a set of systematic activities carried out by entire organization to effectively and efficiently achieve the organization's objectives, so as to provide products and services with a level of quality that satisfies customers at the appropriate time and price. The TQM practices are generally implemented across the organization. This is a process that takes a few years' time. Companies do this to ensure that the quality is improved in every activity that the company is engaged in.